Welcome to the comparison video of the EV Evolve 50 versus LD Maui 28G3. In this video, we will compare the build quality, setup time, and sound quality. 1. Let's compare the build quality. They are both high-quality speakers. Both subwoofer boxes are made out of 15mm multiplex wood, but the Maui 28 feels heavier and stronger build. The top column speakers boxes of the Maui are made out of aluminum and the Evolve top speaker box is made out of plastic. I prefer the build of the heavier Maui 28. The top column of the EV Evolve also feels less stable. The Maui feels a lot sturdier, but the EV Evolve is easier and faster to install and dismantle. The LD Maui 28 has a total weight of 35.4 kilograms while the EV Evolve 50 only weighs 26.25 kilograms, so the EV Evolve is definitely easier to move. 2. Let's compare the setup time. I was a bit slow at the Maui, but you see that they are both very easy and fast to set up without any cables. Both speakers have Bluetooth. The Maui is a bit easier to use, but the EV Evolve 50 has a lot more functions and things you can adjust in the menu like sound modes, and a lot more. The Maui only has one volume knob for the main speakers and one for the sub. I prefer the less complicated Maui, but the EV Evolve is also very easy to use and navigate in the menu with one knob. The Maui only has two XLR inputs, while the Evolve has two XLR inputs, RCA and mini jack. The Maui uses a PowerCon connection, while the Evolve uses a normal power cable. 3. Now let's begin with the sound test. The test will be done with a high-quality binaural microphone, so please use headphones.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. No, we gonna let it away. Tonight, we gonna let it away. Tonight, we gonna let it just like the
Thanks for watching.